A bit dark, but I'm able to park at the Savage to get a bit of a run. Oh no, it's shut off, typical. Anyway, I'll get it started back up again. Again. Off we go. Oh. This isn't going well, is it? There we go. Running alright now. Might need richening up a bit at that bottom end maybe. Not sure. Seems quite a lot of smoke though. Oh, flipped over. Probably sit down on something instead of walking around so it's a bit more stable. Quite dark now. Must be on the second half of the tank now. with the Savage. Doing another speed run again. It's quite dark, but I think I've got it dialed in a bit better now. No one's at the park, so it is dark. It is about 9 o'clock at night, so... .32 again, not too bad. I'll give it another tune and then try again in a minute. As you can see now, pretty dark. But we're still running the Savage. Pretty quick now. Right, we're going to have another go at a speed run. Right, let's see how fast that was. .33, so we got 1 extra miles an hour from getting on the centre tank. The truck's just run out of fuel. Right, now that I've got the camera set up so it's not completely messed up, it ran out of fuel on the last few seconds of my speed run there, so that'll be it for this one. It is getting pretty dark now, as you can see, so that'll be it for this run with the Savage. Got 33 miles an hour out of it, which is a bit quicker than before, so I'm going to go home now. I did have some more fuel left, about half a bottle, but obviously it's just way too dark to run now, so I'm not going to bother. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.